Hi friends, it is a pleasure for me to interact with you once again. Let me begin with a question. All can get ready and answer to the question and keep it in your mind. What will be the vision of your future life? The same question can be asked in a simple way. What do you want to be in the future? Your answer could be, I want to be a doctor, an engineer, the Chief Justice of India, or the CEO of Infosys, Yahoo, Reliance, so on and so forth. What I want to say is that if and only if you repeat the answer daily 3 times, morning, noon, and evening, and make options in life leading to the realization of your wish, you will become what you desire to be. If you wish to be the judge or the Chief Justice of India, desire it, repeat it to yourself, and take steps towards it. Study law, become a lawyer, then aim at the post of a judge, then High Court judge, and then Supreme Court judge. One day, your desire will be fulfilled, and hence my first statement, your thoughts become the reality of your life. This is an example for positive thoughts or positive affirmations. Same thing is true for negative thoughts. You think that you want to kill all your enemies and become a great dictator. If you repeat and affirm it to yourself every day and take steps towards it, you will become a dictator. Again, the saying, your thoughts become the reality of your life is true. But we do not want to entertain negative thoughts. Like, I am useless. I have no talents. I cannot study. I cannot play. I cannot sing, and the like. If you repeat negative thoughts all the time, you will be a total failure in life. Hence the conclusion, negative thoughts lead to failure and positive thoughts lead to success. All successful people life have begun with a desire, with a positive thought, then they affirmed it again and again, and then they struggle to make options that will lead to the realization of their thoughts, and one day their thoughts become reality of their lives. The power of positive thinking is tremendous. You need to realize it and start affirming positive thoughts to yourself again and again and strive after it. Thoughts will become a reality and you will be a tremendous success. If not, you will be a failure in life, achieving nothing. Now listen to a short anecdote. There were two brothers living in the slums. The elder one was 7 years and the younger 5 years. Their mother had died and their father was a drunkard. They had a very hard life. The younger one started saying, I want to change my life. I will never like to live like this in this slum. He enrolled himself in the primary school meant for the slum children. He was intelligent. He finished 10th standard, got a scholarship, and then went to the college and finished MBA. After a few years, became the CEO, a big firm, and started earning a lot and living a very comfortable life. The elder brother accepted his condition, thought that he can do nothing, that he is helpless, and continued to live there. See the difference between two brothers. One started thinking positively and the other accepted negativity. Children, what do you think? Please start thinking positive thoughts and making positive affirmations. Only 10% of your life depends on the actual present condition and 90% on the response you give to the present condition. Now there is the pandemic of COVID-19, but COVID can determine only 10% of your life, but 90% of your life depends on what kind of response you give to this COVID. How do you try to think positively and creatively so that you can take advantage of the situation and learn for your future life? How can I accept the challenge of this COVID and act positively should be your approach. Take courage and act creatively and courageously. Believe in yourself. You are able to transform and change the experience of COVID-19 and come out of it with a sense of victory. Remember that positive thinking gives new energy and dynamism. Just see the objects around you. The electric bulb, the computer, the TV, the chair on which you sit, and the paper on which you write. All these objects at one time did not exist. Someone thought of them, worked at their realization, and their thoughts became reality. We now live comforts and the convenience of life, which our ancestors did not have, because someone thought of these items and worked hard to make them a reality. We have all these things which we utilize. Now you start thinking and believe that your thoughts will become reality and you will see them gradually become actual in your life. First lesson you need to learn today is this: I shall think positive thoughts and affirm them again and again until they become real one day. I become what I think. I achieve what I want. This is the first step of the question I asked at the beginning. Now, let us proceed to the second step. We declare here what you think, you experience. If you repeatedly think of positive feelings they will become part of your life and you will experience them. If you repeatedly think negative feelings, they will also become part of your life and you will experience them. If you think of happiness, joy, success and beauty, you will experience in your life happiness, joy, success and beauty. If you repeatedly think of worry, anxiety, tension and depression, you will all the time experience only worry, anxiety, tension and depression. If you say all the time, I am worried, I am tensed and I am anxious, then you are bound to experience worry and tension. Let me tell something from my own life experience. I never heard the words tension and stress till I joined the college. In my family or even in my village, no family uttered the words like tension, worry and stress. People in the village were stress-free and tension-free. Only in the college students started repeating the words. I think some decades back, no one experienced the stress and tension as we do now. Even the UKG child now repeats, I am tensed. If we ask the child where the word was learnt, the reply will be, my mummy repeats it every day. Dear children, please stop repeating the words tension, stress, worry and anxiety. Resolve never to utter them. They are negative words and they fill your life with negativity. Repeat always, I am relaxed, I am happy and joyful, and your mind will obey you and fill your life with happiness and joy. The third step in our presentation is this: what you imagine, you create. Imagination is a picture in the mind. It is a creative and attractive thought. People thought Earth is the center of the universe. Copernicus imagined what will be the case if Sun becomes the center of the solar system. The thought gave him so much energy that he became restless till he mathematically proved that Sun should be the center of the solar system. Galileo looked at the sky and imagined that there should be thousands of stars which we cannot see. The desire to see these invisible stars made him creative, and he invented the telescope so that he could see for himself innumerable stars and other heavenly bodies. All the things which we use today were imagined by someone and they became reality. Dear children, you should personalize these 3 steps and start practicing them in your life. Our body and mind constitute a very sophisticated system. The mind brings into life whatever you think and affirm. As we take good food in order to be healthy, we need to think good thoughts in order to build up a healthy future for ourselves. Some tips for practice. Know that Your thought process is in your hand. You have to just train and practice every day to think positive thoughts. Every day is a new day. Begin the day with the affirmation, I will be happy and joyful today, good with everyone I meet, and radiate positive energy. Give up the habit of brooding over the present situation, however painful it is. Never cultivate a habit of blaming others, whatever happens to you. Think, here there is a challenge for me to change and transform the situation. Have a clear vision about yourself, what you want to be. Do not leave your life to fortune tellers and passing predicaments. You create your life because you create your thoughts. You do not become what others think and predict what you will be. You become what you believe about yourself. Your beliefs and plans will manifest step by step in your life. Finally, have faith in yourself. Affirm your destiny. If you radiate positive energy in your words, not only you change your negative orientation, but also help encourage others to think positively. Start, children. Start immediately to think positively if you have not done it so far. Practice for some days and months. You yourself will see how the things will change for you, how you will become courageous to face the challenges of the world. God bless you all.